up, guys? It's Chris from Visual Integration. I've been getting a lot of requests from people in the comments wanting me to do a video on every asset add-on from Kinemaster Store. So today's your lucky day. That's what we're going to do. So what we're going to do is just going to do a simple little project. This is not a tutorial on how to do them. This is just show you what they have available for you to use in your own videos. Just going to choose a 6x9. Doesn't matter what you choose for this because we don't really care. All right, then we're going to click the little box present little deal over here next to the mid right of us, and this is going to take us into the Kinemaster Store. All right, the top, if you see on your top left, this is the Kinemaster Asset Store home. The first one is let's see, Chromatic Glitch. So you can see what it's like, a little glitch you can use for videos and to help your artifacts and your clips out. All right, that's the first one. Second one, let's see, Lookbook Frame. Let's see, we can watch the video on it too. Half these videos, guys, I don't know what they do either, so bear with me. That judgment for what you want. Second one, paper background. The most asset was created in 16:9 aspect ratio. So that's that one. Let's see what it does. I guess it's just a background. Fourth is infinite brightness. I've seen these where people use them for like brighten up stars, suns, give or take, highlights. As you can see down here in the bottom, there's your 4 examples. So that's pretty cool. And each and every one of these, what you do is you download them and you can add them to everything. All right. I'm not going to go through all these dudes. These are crazy, man. All right. I'll cover a lot. Second week, or fifth, whatever number we're on. We're on Moland Adventure. I don't know what that does. Let's see. This is a music add-on. Okay. Let's see. Next we got Sunnyside, which would be music also. And let's see. Now we got Retro Cam. I've seen a lot of people use this for videos, countdowns, things like that. So you can use that for whatever you wish. Let's see. More videos. Grand Canyon, that's a music add-on. Hair pick, that's another one. All right, out animation. This is your out animations, out, in and out animations. Let's watch the video. So yeah, so the animation just kind of takes you out. Not bad. A lot of edits. I mean, I really love this app a lot. I really do. I use it a lot. Let's see. Let's scroll on down. Next, we have Wiggle. That's probably one of my favorites. I like the Wiggle one. Wiggle effect. It's pretty cool. Let's check that out. Wobble than a wiggle it. It's pretty cool. I love it. Now keep in mind, you have to download every one of these. So, but if you'll look, it's only 40 kilobytes, and they're all free, but you have to be a premium member, which I think it's a yearly subscription. I want to say it's. Don't hold me to this. I want to say it's like $5 a year, but it's worth it. Excuse me. All right, next up we have social sketches. This is just animated sketches that pop up, do animated things. You can use these also with green screen. It's pretty cool. I use a lot of these. Let's see. We have an in animation. All right, 3D emojis. Next we have split spectrum. That's pretty cool. I like this one. That's pretty cool. Sweet. So, I mean, it's tons and tons and tons. I mean, to shorten this video down, because we're going to be on here for an hour going through all these. But next we have a zoom slide. Lets you slide to slide down, slide left, slide right. Kind of so many effects. I mean, it's crazy. Then you have the horror shake. Then we have the burn effect, backyard of springs. I'm redneck country. I can't pronounce it. Aesthete, whatever. And then we have a helium hearts. Go for a walk. 3D emoji pack, which that's huge. That's huge. Let's click on that to show y'all. So we have the 3D emoji pack. This has got 6 in it. It looks like. Okay. This is the kind of your hook you store, and then you over on the left you'll see they have new excuse me, they have new things, and they update this like seasonal, fall, Christmas, summer, Thanksgiving, Halloween. These get updated so much. I mean, it's non-stop. They continue to update the app every season or every holiday that comes about, whether it be from Labor Day to St. Patrick's Day to Mother's Day to Father's Day to Flag Day. It's unreal. It's a very, very, very good app. I love it. All right, this is your new, and like I said, this changes. I encourage everybody to just get this app. Just play with it. They have a free plan where you can just play with it and do things. And then of course they have the premium like everybody else. All right, next is the FX effects. This is for all your videos and your pictures, transitions, things like that. Some change, some don't change. Let's see, I seen line shift over here. Line shift has been on here for a while. Focus overlay, that is a huge effect that gets used a lot. Let's check this one out. Super ton of extras you can do to your videos, man. I love it. All right, next, let's see. Let's back out of that. Jumbotron, that's a really huge one. I don't use it a lot, but it's good. Let's see. Sketch 2.0, that's cool. And cartoon, that's another good one. Let's do cartoon. This takes all your normal photos and they kind of adds them to the cartoon effect, skit, if you will. It doesn't have a video to show you, I don't think. Let's see. No. But it's really cool. I check that out. You'll like it. You'll enjoy it. Let's see. And we could go for days, guys. This is your blur effects. Focus blurs. You can use these for in, out animations or radical point of view type deal. And then you have color changer. This is cool. See right here, you can change. This is huge for chroma key and things like that. You could change the stickers and stuff or whatever, what have you, to different colors. Let's watch the video so you'll get a better enhancement of it. See how they're changing the colors of the objects. This is huge. Let's say you're wearing a red shirt in a picture you don't like. You can change it to green, yellow, blue, pink, rainbow, whatever you want. This is a huge one. And see, all the platforms very easy to use too. I mean, it's just easy. Anyways, that's that one. That one's very huge. Let's see. We have some other stickers, things we've already went over through. Zoom, slide, horror. Let's see, Snow Force, that's cool. With the winter and fall coming up, that'll be huge. Everybody will be using that one. All right, next we're gonna go down to transitions. This is transition from one view to, what happened? There we go. What this does is it transitions from one frame to the next frame, and there's a lot of things you can use. From 3D, quit, I keep hitting the screen. From 3D action to analog, color, cross split, graphic, liquid, pixels, wipe. I mean, there's just tons you can. This is your transitions effect. We have 3D, action, analog, color, cross split, graphic, liquid, pixels, and wipe. And if we scroll down on the right, we have several different things we can use. The hit and break, I like this one a lot. Let's check this out. Remember, these are all effects. So you can make any picture that you're taking just crumble, shatter. And they have different effects like the glass, brick, what have you. It's pretty cool. So check that one out. Snow crystals, this is going to be big coming up, I'm predicting, with winter right around the corner. We have snowfall. I could be out here in the lounge here and sunbathe and then make snowflakes fall on me. Alright, next, let's see if we go down. Let's just try, I don't know, liquid. Let's go to liquid. We have more of the liquid transitions, spectrum waves, summer wash, water droplets. I like water droplets. That one's really cool. I like that one. Pixels. I don't know a whole lot about this one, but it looks pretty cool. I've heard a lot about the glitch. I like that one. Mosaic blur. I've heard a lot about that one. So yeah, let's check all those out, guys. All right, and let's see. Next will be, this is your sticker package. These are majorly huge for thumbnails, for animations throughout your videos. They have, I guess, live animations, if you will. Like, let's see if I can find the lightning strikes. Frames, I'm sorry. Let's see, no, where'd it go? Action, is it under action? Let's see if we can find it. Well, where'd it go? Celebrations, maybe? Oh, get back in Kinemaster. Abstract, maybe? Let's see. A lot of these move, like I say, a lot of these stickers, they animate. So it's pretty cool to use. There's a lightning on here that I love. It looks cool, man. I love it a lot. But like I say, a lot of these move. They're animated. They'll move with the video and what you choose to do with them. And let's see. Last but not least is a ton of music from pop, different artists, acoustic, children, cinematics. Not only music sounds like pop sounds or glass breaking or car horns or door shutting or whatever. Whatever you can think of, it's on here. And then, of course, dance, electronic, hip-hop, holiday music. I don't have to say no more about that. Jazz, R&B, rock. Just a ton of things you can do, guys. So I hope it gives you a little bit of a rundown of what things you can do inside the asset store and help your projects out. If this helped you out and helps you to want to download Kinemaster, like this video, drop a comment, let me know what you think, and tell me what your favorite animation sticker may be. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. It helps out a lot. Appreciate it.